These methods can help restore whiteness to your teeth. It is often accepted that teeth can be returned to their natural whiteness exclusively in the dentist's office. But, fortunately, there are products that can cope with yellow teeth no worse than a professional dentist. 1. Baking soda. This is a natural tooth whitener, and baking soda is often included in many toothpastes. Try mixing a quarter teaspoon of soda with water and brushing with toothpaste. Soda will not harm your teeth and help to whiten them gradually. 2. Strawberries. Due to the high content of malic acid, which is a natural whitener, these summer berries naturally make the teeth snow white. Do not deny yourself strawberries. Both tasty and healthy. 3. Warm water with salt. Another way to achieve a Hollywood smile is to use warm water with salt, which has a natural antibacterial property. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and use the mixture as a normal rinse. 4. White foods. This may sound obvious, but the more you eat white food, the whiter your teeth are. Eat chicken, rice and fish more often. Try to refrain from beets, blueberries, carrots and various goodies with turmeric. 5. Apples. These fruits are one of the best natural tooth whiteners. This is due to the fact that they have a characteristic texture, which ensures the cleaning of the enamel surface. It is easy to guess that the apple also contains malic acid, which is useful for whitening. Therefore, nibble apples on your health. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.